Hi, I'm Dr. Terra for Smile at the Spa. We are going to talk about Bruxism. We have been told all the time, oh, the resorption of your gums is because you are brushing too hard. The reality is you are grinding your teeth. When you have the movement between your teeth, you produce an enamel close to the gum line, chip away, losing the support for your gums, and that way the gums recede. So next time when you go to your dentist, talk about the resorptions, talk about the bruxismus, and also the solution for that with night guards or Invisalign. And remember, smile, we do the rest.